All right, here we are underneath Danny's 54 Chev. First interesting order of business, which is kind of strange, is there's ATF coming out of the vacuum booster line. I only disconnected the booster line because you can see it. I need to pull the master just a hair so I can adjust the pushrod a little bit more, get our brake pedal up a little bit. I also have noticed there's a little brake fluid leak here at this residual pressure valve. Just need to snug this up here. That'll solve that. Everything else is pretty good. You just do a little cleanup here on the back of the trans, because we got a little bit of seeps. It's probably because we haven't ran her. So get that fluid to circulate after a drive, and we should be pretty good otherwise. I'm going to double check all of our brake lines as well, check all of our fittings, make sure everything is tight and nice. Probably snug that up a skosh more as well. But for something that has been ripped completely apart and put back together, I feel like we're doing pretty good. Give this a little snuggie too. Everything back here is spectacular. Looking good, looking good. I'll just come in and double check all of our fittings all the way around. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. All right, so kind of done with everything under here. I've cleaned up everything. I've tightened every location that had a little bit of dribble. Got them snugged up. Nothing's leaking anymore. I also put about another 100 thousandths, 120 thousandths in here to close up that gap. And I double checked our tightness here and here. Thank you, Scotty, for making snotting noises in the background of my video the whole time.
Sinuses.
Yeah?
They just stopped like 2 months ago. And now it's just nuts again. It's like,
because all these idiots are reseeding their grass and it's too early and it's going to get hot and kill it again. Then they have to do it again because everybody listens to the landscape and says, do it at the end of August. No, they say that just so you get to pay twice.
right?
Anyway, all right, so this is going down on the ground. I think we are at the point where it's going to be test drive time, boys and girls. And maybe we'll make it further than the driveway. All right, so in the car, just sat down, ready to go for our little test drive. Look at our brake pedal action. Comes all the way back now because of the spacer, and it actually feels really good. So, really? Ah! Oh, God, of course. Always something with these damn cars. All right, Scotty is now in the car.
And are we ready, people?
Go ahead and try it. Fun. Oh, let me see here. Let me check, make sure this thing's in. Yep, it's in all the way. It ain't moving. Hit it again. Ah, just great. Okay, I'm gonna go and try to bang on that one more time. I've already banged on it once. And go from there. All right, so got the starter whacked on it a little bit. Sometimes that gets them to behave. And voltage, we're at 12.25 at the battery. Go ahead and crank it, Scott. Yeah, we don't drop voltage that bad, so that should be enough to get it to do its thing. Fun. And we know this thing cranked like a son of a bitch yesterday because we started it a few times. So I'm going to put the NOCO on it just to see. Have Scotty hit it one more time. And if not, we're probably going to go starter hunting. We got the NOCO on it. Hang tight, Scott. Go ahead and hit it. Yeah. Sounds like the Bendix ain't Bendixing.
Nope.
So, all right, next step's going to be pull that starter. That's going to be fun. And go from there.